Wala sa voice.
Thank you.
Congratulations! Welcome to
Anak ko ba?
from our sabihin mo mas
Oh, langga. Thank you, ha.
okay? So, parents, opa, at the teacher.
Thank you.
Parents. Heavenly sunshine, hallelujah. Sky is fine. One more time. Walking with me, walking all the way, walking with me, walking in the sunshine rain. Heavenly sunshine, hallelujah. Sky is fine. Heavenly sunshine, hallelujah. Sky is fine. Attention. I think everybody deserves a lot of applause. To the three sections of who were newly invested as part of the scouting movement starting from Langay. Alright. Ang sayo-sayo ni Kumo ang kami. Okay, scout. Take it on. Scout, sign. Push. Repeat after me, ha? May the great master of all scouts be with us until we meet again. Okay, congratulations everyone. Okay, and that concludes with our DSP, Langay, Kawan, and Troop section. Okay, let's get ready. Oh, sige, ito na natin pa na. Palis natin naman sa likod. Ready? Taka-taka na. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Pasok ka. Left, right, left. Beep. Walking in the sunshine rain. Heavenly sunshine. Heavenly sunshine.
Pwede na tayo dito sa of the Philippines o sa World Organization
Or kill any living thing without good reason. A scout is obedient. Follow the rules of your family, school, and obey the laws of your community and country. Scout is cheerful. Look for the bright side of life. Cheerfully do tasks that come your way. Try to help others be happy. A scout is thrifty. Work to pay your own pay. Try not to be wasteful. Use time, food, supplies, and natural resources wisely. Situations, even when you feel afraid. Do what you think is right, despite what others might be doing or saying. Scout is keep your body and mind fit. Help keep your home and community clean.
A scout is generous.
A scout is is reverent. Be reverent toward God. Be faithful in your religious duties. Respect the beliefs of others. Yeah. Are you ready to take this promise? Scout sign forward of the Scout will command the Scout sign and the sign the Scout form in unison.
I'll do my best to do my duty to God and my country, and not other people at all times, and to keep myself physically strong, mentally aware, and morally straight. Ready, run!
Atin ang nais sumali sa ating nilusan.
Stop, slow na! Ito!
Sumunod sa bawat alimuntunin ng ating nilusan. Kayo ba ay handa na sa gagawin pagtanggap sa inyo? Kayo ba ay handa na sa gagawin pagtanggap sa inyo? Mabuti. Sa harap ng inyong mga magulang, kayo'y mangangako na susunod sa lahat ng alituntunin, batas at pangako ng Cub Scouts.
Ang Cub Scout ay nagsisikap upang maging makakitunlaban. Pamahaling ng Diyos at ang ating bayan. Gumawa ng mabuti araw-araw at sumunod sa batas ng Cub Scout. Halamat!
Ngayong tapos na kayong mangako sa harap ng inyong mga magulang at kaibigan, nais kong ipalam sa inyo na iyon ay makatotohanan at hindi biro-biro lamang. Inyong pagkakandaan na ang isang Cub Scout ay mabait at masunurin. Nais ko pong tawagin ang mga magulang na lumapit sa mga anak ninyo, ibigay ang inyong daladalang kandila. Dumaan muna kayo sa mesa at silihan ninyong kandila sa pulang kandila na simbolo ng espiritu ng Scouting.
Ito na, lagi ko yan.